Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Tom from Sleep Foundation. So a few months ago, I got a new mattress. One of the perks of working here. Once it arrived, I unboxed it, got it into place, and then I was faced with a dilemma. What do I do with my old one? I actually hadn't thought that far ahead. Now, some mattress companies offer what they call white glove delivery. So they'll deliver your new mattress and then haul away the old one. I didn't have that option, and I had no idea what to do with this massive piece of foam that now just sat in my hallway. And it sat there for weeks. I mean, it wasn't like I could just roll it up and put it back in the box it came in. So what we're gonna do in this video is help you sort out what to do with that old mattress. We're gonna give you the kind of information I wish I had known when I was going through this process. So we're gonna talk about what some of your options are, definitely what you shouldn't do, and then I'll tell you at the end what I ended up doing. Because if you don't have a good plan, your old mattress may just end up being left in the wild. All right, once you get that cozy new bed in your house, you unbox it, you get it into place, what do you do with that old one? Well, let's talk about a few of your options. First, you might consider donating your bed to a charity or any other organization that can get it in the hands of people in need. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Can I really donate a used mattress? Is it safe? Is it even sanitary to do that? Well, the answer is yes. You can absolutely donate your mattress, with some caveats. Now, before you start down this road, make sure your bed is in relatively good shape. In general, just use your judgment. Use the golden rule. If it's a mattress that's in good condition and that you would want to receive from somebody, then it might be okay to donate. Now, one of the best places to start that research is at donationtown.org. This site lists a number of charities, and especially charities in your community. Now, not all of these charities will take mattresses, so you may need to make some calls to determine which are accepting beds. Now, here at Sleep Foundation, we partnered with a charity in our area that works on the east side of Seattle. We get a lot of mattresses in our office, as you might imagine. And after we review them and test them, they need a good home. So we partnered with this charity specifically because they form relationships in the community and can get mattresses directly into the hands of people that need them most. So again, if your mattress is in good shape, donation could be a great solution. Now, let's say that your mattress is out of warranty and is not eligible for a donation. You could just take your mattress to the dump. But in 2017, an organization called Cascade Alliance estimated that 20 million beds end up in landfills each year. 20 million. Considering about 80 to 90% of your mattress can be recycled, it's actually worth considering what your options might be. Now, if you live in Connecticut, Rhode Island, or California, your state has a law to make mattress recycling free or very low cost, so look into that. For everyone else, you can visit buybuymattress.com to find a list of recycling centers in your area. You'll have to do the legwork of hauling your mattress to the site, but it can be a more responsible solution than simply throwing it away. Of course, if you have the time and energy and want a little hobby project to give you some sweet, sweet stress relief, you can also break down the mattress yourself. Sometimes recycling centers might not accept whole mattresses, but they might accept parts of it. Just make sure you call ahead of time to ensure they accept your materials. In this case, rip apart your mattress. Tear apart the layers, separate the coils. Often these coils, if they're made from metal, will be worth a few dollars at a scrap metal shop. And of course, if you're the crafty type, you might consider using pieces of this mattress around your house. You can use the wood from a box spring as a raised garden bed, and foam could be used as padding or insulation. And of course, those coil springs, why not make a wine rack? Of course, if all else fails and recycling, donating, or breaking down your mattress isn't your best bet, you may need to contact your local trash company to learn their rules for getting rid of a bed. So you may be wondering what I ultimately did with my mattress. Well, I pursued all of these options. It was going to cost $50 to drop it off at my local dump. It was going to cost $150 to have a local trash company haul it away. And look, I'm good at a lot of things, but I was not about to take on a DIY project with my all foam mattress. So it legit sat in my entryway for 3 weeks while I weighed my options. I walked past it every day for 3 weeks. And thankfully, the community where I live had a spring recycling event. It was one day a year where people in my community can drop off any items they need recycled, like TVs or tires, and yes, thankfully, mattresses. So for $15, I was able to take my mattress to this event and make sure it got directed to the right recycling center. So no matter what you decide to do with your old mattress, if it's in reasonably good shape, consider ways to give it a second life through donation or passing it along to a friend or family member in need. And if all else fails, Seek out options for recycling or trash in your area. We'll put some links to some of the resources that we've mentioned in the description below. If you found this video helpful, hit like and subscribe, and of course, share with us your story about what you did with your old mattress, especially if you have any craft projects from your old mattress. Hit us up in the comments below. Also, tell us what topics you'd like to see us cover in the future. Thanks again for watching, and I hope you sleep well. I have a dad joke for you. You ready?
Yeah.
What does a gingerbread man sleep on?
I don't know.
Cookie sheets.
Oh.